Have you ever pondered about the pace of digital transformation and what it truly entails? It's not just about transitioning from paper to pixels or from brick and mortar to e-commerce. It's a comprehensive shift that integrates digital technology into all areas of our lives, fundamentally changing how we operate and deliver value. It's about staying relevant in a world that's not just changing, but changing at an unprecedented speed. This transformation is like a vast ocean, with waves of innovation constantly reshaping the landscape. To navigate these waters, we need a map, a compass, and a clear understanding of the key terms and concepts that define this digital age. In this video, we will be your guide on a journey from A to D, exploring the alphabet of digital transformation. From agile to disruptive technology, each term will be a stepping stone on this exciting journey. So buckle up and get ready to embark on a captivating journey through the key concepts of digital transformation. From A to D. Starting with A, Agile is our first stop. Agile. It's a term you've probably heard before, especially if you've dabbled in the realms of project management or product development, but what does it really mean? At its core, Agile is a mindset, a philosophy, a way of thinking that prioritizes adaptability and efficiency. It's a methodology that promotes continuous iteration of development and testing throughout the life cycle of a project. It values people and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to change over following a plan. Agile is all about breaking down larger tasks into smaller, manageable parts known as sprints. These sprints are time-boxed periods where specific tasks are planned and completed. It's like setting mini deadlines within the grand timeline of a project. But Agile isn't just about sprinting towards the finish line. It's also about reflecting on the progress made, learning from the journey, and tweaking the action plan if necessary. In an Agile environment, cross-functional teams work collaboratively. Each member brings unique skills to the table, and together they strive to deliver value to the customer with high-quality software. There's a constant exchange of ideas, a dynamic interplay of thoughts, and a shared understanding of the goal. Agile is also about transparency. It encourages open communication among team members and stakeholders. It's about visualizing work, be it through a Kanban board or a Scrum board where tasks move from to-do to in progress to done. It's about having daily stand-up meetings where everyone syncs up, discusses what they accomplished yesterday, what they plan to do today, and whether there are any impediments in their path. And then there's the concept of Agile Manifesto, a document that lays out the fundamental values and principles of Agile. It underscores the importance of satisfying the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. It talks about welcoming changing requirements, even late in development, as Agile processes harness change for the customer's competitive advantage. It emphasizes on delivering working software frequently, with a preference for the shorter timescale. It highlights the importance of business people and developers working together daily throughout the project. But Agile is not just a set of principles or practices. It's a culture, a way of life that permeates every level of an organization. It's about fostering an environment where people feel empowered to make decisions, where failure is seen as an opportunity to learn, where innovation is encouraged, and where customer satisfaction is the ultimate goal. Agile is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a flexible approach that can be tailored to the unique needs of a project or an organization. Some might choose to implement Scrum, a framework that prescribes roles, events, artifacts, and rules. Others might opt for Kanban, a method that visualizes work, limits work in progress, and maximizes efficiency. Or they might go for Lean, a methodology that focuses on eliminating waste and delivering value to the customer. In the world of digital transformation, Agile plays a pivotal role. It enables organizations to adapt swiftly to changing market conditions, to evolve their products based on customer feedback, and to deliver value at a faster pace. It helps businesses stay competitive in an age where speed, flexibility, and customer satisfaction are of paramount importance. So, as we traverse the landscape of digital transformation, Agile stands tall as a beacon of adaptability, efficiency, and customer centricity. It's not just a methodology, it's a mindset, a culture, an ethos that can drive organizations towards success in the digital age. Agile ensures swift and efficient product development, a key aspect of digital transformation. Next up, B, and we're talking about artificial intelligence or AI. Now, if you've ever asked Siri a question, used a chatbot customer service, or had Netflix recommend a movie that you ended up loving, then you've interacted with artificial intelligence. But what exactly is it? Artificial intelligence in its most basic form is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, particularly computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. But let's break that down a bit more, shall we? The learning process is where the machine acquires information and rules for using the information. This is also known as machine learning, a subset of AI that involves the development of algorithms that allow computers to learn from and make decisions or predictions based on data. For instance, if you've ever shopped online and the website started recommending products that are eerily similar to what you've bought or searched before, that's machine learning in action. Reasoning and problem-solving, on the other hand, involve the machine applying rules to reach approximate or definite conclusions. This is often seen in chess-playing computers, where the machine needs to think several steps ahead to make the best move. Now, perception involves the machine interpreting sensory inputs, often using neural networks to identify objects, sounds, or even people. This is the technology behind self-driving cars, voice-activated assistants, and facial recognition systems. Finally, language understanding or natural language processing involves the machine understanding and interacting in human language. This is what powers your friendly chatbot customer service or your voice-activated assistant's ability to understand your commands and respond accordingly. So, how does AI fit into the digital transformation? Well, artificial intelligence is the engine that powers many of the digital technologies we see today. It is the brain behind the automation, making machines think and act like us, and sometimes even better than us. It is what allows businesses to automate repetitive tasks, gain insights from data, create more personalized customer experiences, and innovate their products and services. AI is also a key driver in the shift towards more intelligent, connected, and responsive systems. It is what enables our devices to communicate with each other, our cars to drive themselves, and our homes to adjust to our preferences. It is transforming industries from healthcare to finance, education to entertainment, and everything in between. But like any technology, AI also comes with its challenges. There are ethical considerations around privacy and security, concerns about job displacement, and the need for regulation and oversight. Therefore, as we continue to embrace AI in our digital transformation journey, it is crucial that we also consider these issues and work towards responsible and ethical use of AI. AI is the brain behind the digital transformation, making machines think and act like us. From automating tasks to driving innovation, AI is not just transforming the way we do business, but also the way we live our lives. So next time you ask Siri a question or get a recommendation from Netflix, remember, that's AI in action. Moving on to B, we encounter blockchain. Now, the term blockchain might sound intimidating, but let's break it down for a better understanding. In the simplest terms, a blockchain is a kind of digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. The unique feature of blockchain is that it's decentralized, meaning that it's not controlled by a single entity or authority. But what does this decentralization mean? Well, it means that the information on the blockchain is maintained by a network of computers, often referred to as nodes. These nodes work collectively to validate and record transactions on the blockchain. Each of these transactions is stored in a block, and these blocks are linked together in a chain, hence the term blockchain. Now, you might wonder, why use a blockchain? The beauty of this technology lies in its security and transparency. Once a transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it can't be altered or deleted. This immutability of the blockchain ensures that transactions are secure. Furthermore, since the transaction records are visible to all participants in the network, it promotes transparency. This is particularly useful in sectors such as finance, where the secure and transparent recording of transactions is crucial. Blockchain technology also eliminates the need for intermediaries, such as banks, in financial transactions. This peer-to-peer nature of blockchain transactions can potentially reduce costs and increase efficiency. But blockchain is not limited to financial transactions. It's being used in various other sectors such as supply chain management, healthcare, and even voting systems. In supply chain management, for instance, blockchain can track the journey of a product from the manufacturer to the consumer, ensuring authenticity and preventing fraud. In healthcare, blockchain can store patient data securely and allow controlled access to healthcare providers. This can streamline healthcare services and improve patient care. In voting systems, blockchain can ensure secure and transparent voting, preventing fraud and manipulation. So, you see, blockchain is a powerful technology with a vast range of applications. It's not just the technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's a technology that has the potential to revolutionize various sectors by providing secure, transparent, and efficient solutions. Blockchain powers the secure and transparent digital transactions we experience today. As we move forward in our digital journey, blockchain technology will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping our digital future. Still on B, we explore cloud computing. Now, what exactly is cloud computing? Well, in the simplest terms, it's the practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process data, rather than a personal computer or local server. You can think of it as a massive virtual storage room that's located not in your house or office, but somewhere out there in the digital ether. Cloud computing has revolutionized how we handle data. It's not just about storage, though. That's certainly a major part of it. It's also about processing power. By leveraging the capabilities of a remote server, businesses and individuals can perform complex computations and data analyses without the need for expensive high-end hardware. But the benefits of cloud computing go beyond storage and processing. It also offers increased efficiency and flexibility. With cloud services, you can access your data anytime, anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. This means you can work from home, from a coffee shop, from a beach halfway around the world. The possibilities are endless. And in today's increasingly mobile world, that kind of flexibility is priceless. Not only that, but cloud computing also promotes collaboration. Multiple people can work on the same project at the same time, even if they are located in different parts of the world. This makes it easier for teams to collaborate and share ideas, fostering creativity and innovation. Of course, like anything in the digital world, cloud computing comes with its challenges. Security is a major concern. After all, when you're storing sensitive data in a remote server, you want to be sure it's safe from hackers and other potential threats. Thankfully, most cloud service providers take security very seriously, implementing a range of measures to protect your data. Another challenge is the issue of data ownership. When you store data in the cloud, who actually owns it? This is a complex issue that's still being debated. However, most cloud service providers make it clear in their terms of service that you retain ownership of your data. Despite these challenges, the benefits of cloud computing are clear. It's no wonder that more and more businesses are moving to the cloud. According to a report by Gartner, the worldwide public cloud services market is forecast to grow by 17% in 2023, reaching a total of $277 billion. So, as we continue our journey through the world of digital transformation, it's clear that cloud computing is a major player. It's the space where data is stored, where processing happens, where collaboration takes place. In short, cloud computing provides the space where digital transformation happens. C brings us to cybersecurity. It's a term you've probably heard often, especially in recent years, but what is it exactly? Well, in a nutshell, cybersecurity encompasses measures and practices designed to safeguard systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. Imagine embarking on a grand adventure, exploring unknown territories. Now, this journey is exciting, filled with the promise of discovery and advancement, but like any quest, it isn't without its perils. In this digital age, our adventure is the transformation from traditional methods to digital platforms, and the dragons and trolls we encounter along the way. They are the cyber threats and attacks that lurk in the shadows of this digital domain. These threats can take many forms, from malicious software that can cripple entire systems to phishing scams that trick individuals into revealing sensitive information, or denial of service attacks that can bring websites crashing down. The consequences of such attacks can be devastating. They can result in financial losses, damage to a company's reputation, or even compromise national security in the case of attacks on government infrastructure. This is where cybersecurity comes into play. It serves as our shield, our line of defense against these digital threats. It's the armor we equip ourselves with to fend off the dragons and trolls on our digital transformation journey. Cybersecurity involves a range of strategies and practices. It starts with the identification of potential threats and vulnerabilities. This could be anything from weak passwords, outdated software, or unsecured networks. Once these vulnerabilities are identified, measures are then put in place to protect against them. This could involve installing firewalls, updating and patching software, or implementing two-factor authentication. But cybersecurity isn't just about defense. It also involves detection, being able to identify when a breach has occurred and respond swiftly to mitigate the damage. It's about resilience, being able to recover quickly and continue operations even in the face of an attack. And cybersecurity isn't just the responsibility of IT professionals, it's a collective effort. We all have a role to play in maintaining our digital security. This could be as simple as regularly updating our passwords, being vigilant against suspicious emails, or being careful about the information we share online. So, as we journey through the digital landscape, remember the importance of cybersecurity. It's our shield, our armor against the threats that lurk in the shadows. It's what ensures that our grand adventure in digital transformation is a successful one. Cybersecurity is the shield that protects our digital transformation journey. Another C, and it's time to delve into data analytics. Now, what springs to mind when you hear that phrase? Perhaps it's a sea of numbers, charts, and graphs. Or maybe you picture a team of analysts huddled over their computer screens, deep in thought. Both are in a way accurate, but data analytics is so much more than just number crunching or statistical analysis. It's a discipline that has the power to transform the way businesses operate and make decisions. Let's start at the beginning. Data analytics, in its most basic form, is the process of examining, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data. The goal? To discover useful information, suggest conclusions, and support decision-making. It's a bit like being a detective, sifting through clues to solve a mystery. Except, in this case, the mystery is often something like, how can we improve our customer retention? Or, what's causing this unexpected drop in sales? Data analytics is a multidisciplinary field. It combines elements of mathematics, computer science, statistics, and business knowledge. But why is it so important? Well, consider this. Every day we generate quintillions of bytes of data. That's a 1 with 18 zeros, in case you're wondering. This data comes from everywhere: our social media posts, our online shopping habits, our fitness trackers, and so on. It's a veritable goldmine of information, but without the right tools and techniques, it's just a pile of raw, unprocessed material. That's where data analytics comes in. It provides the tools and techniques needed to transform this raw data into meaningful insights. It helps businesses understand their customers better, identify trends and patterns, make informed decisions, and predict future outcomes. For example, a retailer might use data analytics to identify which products are most popular with their customers, and then use this information to optimize their inventory. Or a healthcare provider could analyze patient data to predict who is at risk of certain diseases, and then take preventive action. There are several types of data analytics, each with its own specific focus. Descriptive analytics, for instance, focuses on explaining what has happened in the past. It's like the rearview mirror of a car, showing you where you've been. Predictive analytics, on the other hand, uses historical data to predict future events. It's like the car's GPS guiding you towards your destination. Then there's prescriptive analytics, which not only predicts the future, but also suggests actions to benefit from those predictions. It's like the car's steering wheel and pedals, helping you navigate and control your journey. Data analytics is not without its challenges, though. Good quality data is a must, and it's not always easy to get. Data can be messy, incomplete, or biased. It can also be sensitive, raising ethical and privacy concerns. Analysts need to be mindful of these issues and use appropriate methods to address them. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of data analytics are immense. It's no wonder that it's one of the fastest growing fields today. Businesses, governments, and organizations around the world are investing heavily in it. They're hiring data analysts, building data teams, and incorporating data-driven decision-making into their strategies. So, the next time you hear the term data analytics, think beyond the numbers and the charts. Think about the insights and the decisions that it enables. Think about the mysteries it helps solve. Data analytics is the lens that helps us see and understand the patterns in our digital world. Scene script. D introduces us to the digital ecosystem and digital natives. Our journey through the alphabet of digital transformation brings us to the letter D, which introduces us to the digital ecosystem and digital natives. These two concepts are interlinked and pivotal in understanding the world we live in today. A digital ecosystem is an environment where various digital systems, processes, and stakeholders interact for mutual benefit. It is a network of people, businesses, data, processes, and things that are interconnected through digital platforms. These platforms enable seamless exchange of information and services, creating value for all participants in the ecosystem. Imagine a forest where every organism, from the smallest insect to the largest tree, plays a critical role. They rely on each other for survival and growth, creating a balanced and thriving ecosystem. Similarly, in a digital ecosystem, different elements such as businesses, consumers, devices, applications, and data interact and rely on each other. They create a network that is dynamic, evolving, and rich in opportunities. Let's delve deeper into this concept. A digital ecosystem can include various elements such as hardware devices like computers, smartphones, and IoT devices. It encompasses software applications, digital platforms, and networks that facilitate communication and data exchange. It also includes data, which is the lifeblood of the digital ecosystem, as well as the algorithms that process and analyze this data. The stakeholders in a digital ecosystem can be individuals, businesses, or even machines. They interact with each other, often in real time, to create, exchange, and consume value. For instance, when you use a ride-hailing app on your smartphone, you're participating in a digital ecosystem. You're interacting with the app, software, your smartphone, hardware, the data from your location and destination, the ride-hailing company, and the driver who is providing the service. All these elements come together to create a seamless and convenient experience for you. Now, let's turn our attention to digital natives. This term refers to individuals who were born or brought up during the age of digital technology. They are comfortable with using technology and digital platforms as a natural part of their lives. Digital natives have grown up using smartphones, tablets, and computers. They are comfortable navigating the internet, social media, and digital platforms. They are not just consumers of digital technology, but also creators, contributing to the digital ecosystem through their interactions, data, and digital content. Digital natives are not defined by age alone. It's about how they interact with technology. They are comfortable using multiple devices, often simultaneously, to access information, communicate, work, learn, and entertain themselves. They expect technology to be intuitive, responsive, and personalized. In many ways, digital natives are shaping the future of the digital ecosystem. They are driving the demand for more intuitive interfaces, personalized experiences, and seamless integration of digital services. They are not just passive consumers, but active participants, influencing the direction of technological innovation. Understanding digital natives is crucial for businesses. They are a significant consumer segment with unique needs, behaviors, and expectations. Businesses need to understand how digital natives interact with technology, what they value, and how they make decisions. This understanding can help businesses create products, services, and experiences that resonate with this influential group. We are all part of this ever-expanding digital ecosystem, and many of us are digital natives, born into a world transformed by technology. Still on D, we discuss digital strategy and disruptive technology. Our voyage into the vast ocean of digital transformation continues, and now we set our sails towards two of the most crucial concepts that lie at the heart of this digital revolution: digital strategy and disruptive technology. Let's begin with digital strategy. In the simplest terms, a digital strategy is a plan of action designed to achieve business goals through the implementation of digital initiatives. It's no longer about just having a website or a social media presence. Today's digital strategy involves a holistic approach that integrates various digital technologies into all areas of a business, fundamentally changing how you operate and deliver value to your customers. Imagine a digital strategy as a compass guiding a ship in the vast digital sea. It helps businesses navigate the complex digital landscape, making decisions on where to invest time and resources. It outlines how to use technology to improve business processes, increase operational efficiency, and enhance customer experience. But a digital strategy is not a one-size-fits-all map. It's a unique blueprint that varies from one organization to another, depending on their specific goals, customer needs, and market dynamics. It's a plan that requires continuous refinement and adjustment in response to the fast-paced digital world. Now, let's move on to disruptive technology. This term might sound a bit intimidating, but it's certainly a game changer in the digital era. Disruptive technology refers to any innovation that significantly alters the way businesses operate or consumers behave. It's a technology that introduces a new way of doing things, replacing the old methods and ultimately reshaping entire industries. Think about how smartphones replaced traditional mobile phones, how streaming services changed the way we consume media, or how e-commerce disrupted traditional retail. These are all examples of disruptive technology. They started as simple innovations but ended up transforming our lives in ways we could never have imagined. But disruptive technology is not just about disruption, it's also about opportunities. It opens up new markets, creates new ways of doing business, and fuels economic growth. It breaks down barriers, making it easier for startups to challenge established businesses. It levels the playing field, enabling anyone with a great idea to make a difference. However, disruptive technology also presents challenges. It requires businesses to be adaptable, to be ready to change their ways of working, and to be willing to take risks. It's not always easy to predict which technologies will be disruptive, and there's always a risk of failure. But those who are prepared to embrace disruptive technology, who are ready to innovate and adapt, are the ones who will thrive in the digital era. To tie it all together, a solid digital strategy combined with an understanding and readiness for disruptive technology is the key to success in the digital era. These two concepts are intertwined, shaping the future of businesses and the digital landscape as a whole. So, let's sum up what we've learned today. A digital strategy is the roadmap that guides businesses in the digital world. It's a plan that outlines how to use digital technologies to achieve business goals. On the other hand, disruptive technology is an innovation that significantly changes the way businesses operate or consumers behave. It's a force that drives transformation, creating new opportunities and challenges. It's clear that we're living in an exciting time of digital transformation. Every day, new technologies are emerging, and businesses are finding innovative ways to leverage these technologies to improve their operations, serve their customers better, and stay competitive in the market. A well-planned digital strategy and readiness for disruptive technology is the path to thriving in this digital era. And as we reach the end of our journey from A to D, it's clear that digital transformation is an expansive and continually evolving field. We've traversed through Agile, a flexible approach that's reshaping how we manage projects and develop products. We've delved into the mind-boggling world of artificial intelligence, where machines mimic human-like thinking. We've explored the decentralized world of blockchain and soared high with cloud computing. Security took the center stage with cybersecurity, followed by the insightful world of data analytics. We then navigated the vast interconnected world of digital ecosystem and met the digital natives. Finally, we discussed the importance of digital strategy and the game-changing potential of disruptive technology. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in shaping our digital future, proving that the journey of digital transformation is far from over. Stay tuned as we continue our journey beyond D in our upcoming segments. Until then, keep exploring and embracing the digital transformation around you.